This is Troy.
This is Nate.
And using this crazy contraption from the heyday of the 1950s American cocktail party,
We're going to try each one of its recipes and find out which one of these long-forgotten libations still stands the test of time. This is the Vintage Bartender.
hey, what's up everyone? This is the Vintage Bartender. I'm Nate.
I'm Troy.
And we are going to continue our exploration of the 1950s Bar Aid Cocktail Rolodex. Which
Not even just exploration, but epic journey.
Epic journey of the Rolodex, which includes about 80 or so drinks. So we're going to try each and every one and see what technically stands the test of time.
We are trucking our way through.
Yep.
We are on numero siete.
It's true. Number 7.
Number 7. Number 7.
Number 7.
Nate,
Yes, Troy?
tell us what number 7 is.
Number 7 is the American Beauty.
Ooh. I'm feeling some Star-Spangled Banner music playing in the background.
Well, until you hear this list, I'm sure you probably will.
You want to throw it to the history?
Let's throw it to the history, dude.
Throw it to the history.
Bang. Throw it to the history.
The American Beauty cocktail is another drink from the 1913 Straub's Manual of Mixed Drinks. But as far as where and how the cocktail came about and who made it, it's a bit of a mystery, with the true history of the American Beauty cocktail forgotten to time. Insert sad emoji. They say the name is connected with the popular American Beauty garden roses, which were the best-selling roses from 1888 to 1920. The cocktail can also be found in David A. Embury's 1948 book, The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks. Embury's influential cocktail book helped shape the modern bartender, and he's quoted as being the most influential non-bartender. He did not make drinks or spirits, he drank them. That's my kind of man. Side note, it is also referred to as an American Beauty punch if served in a highball glass with crushed ice. Now, back to making cocktails. I mean,
Amazing history.
that's more history than I thought there was for the American Beauty. I mean,
We're not going to lie. We have no clue what you just watched until we put it together.
history or not,
Yes.
the true test
Yes.
is how it tastes.
That's right. Let's make this cocktail.
Can we make this cocktail?
We can totally
Let's
make this
what is it?
cocktail.
The American Beauty.
The American Beauty. Let's make this
I mean,
cocktail.
it's got such a great name. I have high hopes.
I'm optimistic.
Optimistic?
I've seen some...
Cautiously optimistic, perhaps?
There you go. That's
Okay.
a much better take on it all.
Okay.
All right, the American Beauty. Let's throw the recipe up there. Bang. Jank. Tap. Recipe. It's either here, there, somewhere. Da-da-da-da. Who knows?
Over here.
Yep. It's going to start with some ice in a shaker. Yes.
Ice in a shaker.
100%.
Ooh, that's loud. That's loud stuff.
So we got an equals type of moment going on here.
So all the same. Equal?
Yeah, until I tell you otherwise. Yep. We got 1/3 brandy.
Brandy.
Classic American cocktail. We've seen a lot of brandy cocktails
So
lately.
before our
Classic.
voyage on the Bar Aid,
Yep.
I had never been a brandy drinker.
Nor have I. I've drinking more
However-
brandy during this fucking thing than any time in
I know.
previous history.
And you know what? Brandy
It's not too
is
bad.
pretty underrated.
I gotta say.
Like, brandy, I don't know, at some point in history, brandy got a bad name.
I don't know if we're
But
drinking
she's a
brandy.
fine girl.
She's a fine girl.
She's a fine girl. What a good wife she would be.
Oh Lord,
Sorry.
sweet Jesus.
Sorry,
All right.
let me reel it back.
Let's rein
Reel it
way back.
in.
Okay. 1 part
Brandy.
brandy. 1 part, in this case 1/3, dry vermouth.
Dry Vermouth.
Martini Rossi.
Martini Rossi
classic.
Dry Vermouth.
Classic. You've seen us drink a bunch of dry vermouth in the past episodes. And we encourage you to check those out. We were pleasantly surprised by the past dry vermouth or vermouth
I'm
in
pleasantly
general.
disgusted by a couple.
Yeah, well, you know what the you can do. You know, it is.
It can't all be, rainbows and butterflies.
Yep.
Or can it? I don't know. Maybe if you have the right drugs.
Exactly. It's all about the right drugs, boys
All
and
right.
girls.
We got brandy. We got dry vermouth. What's next?
Equal part orange juice.
Ooh.
I'm not going to.
Ooh.
I'm reading ahead in the Bar Aid recipe here, and I'm a little bit
So
concerned.
not just regular orange juice. We
squeeze these
We fresh squeezed this orange juice
as a lover.
from the orange itself.
That's good that we got the orange juice.
An
from
orange lost its life. Where were we?
We were talking about orange juice.
Okay.
We had a little bit of technical difficulty, not gonna lie. Yeah.
We're just gonna pretend it never happened.
Yeah. Do we add orange juice?
We did, I think.
Okay.
Orange
cool.
juice.
All right, back to it. Dash of white creme de menthe.
What's a dash of white creme de menthe exactly?
You know what? I don't know. I know this creme de menthe
Like
we've seen in the past.
I assume take off the top and dash it in?
I think just kind of like use your good judgment. Good judgment. Hilarious.
I got a lot of that.
All right, like, yeah.
Oh.
Seems like a dash to me.
Seems like a dash to me, my friend.
Yeah. The bar rate gets ambiguous. Not gonna lie.
Creme de menthe.
Yep.
Seems like a pretty flavor, if you know what I mean.
It is unexpected
Pretty
relative
pungent.
to the citrus and the vermouth and the brandy that we've experienced.
Exactly.
So
let's keep it going. What else?
We're
What
gonna
do we
press
got
forward,
next?
see what happens. 1 dash of grenadine.
Grenadine, homemade.
Pomegranate syrup, I believe. Yes.
I mean, that was a dash, right?
Yeah, as far as I'm concerned.
We do this. We shaking and we stirring.
We are shaking with ice. So that means it's time for
Shake time.
the shake time.
Shake music.
Shake time.
Shake what your mama gave ya.
Jesus, that was quite a process. Okay, whew. And then it doesn't say pour it out because there's very limited technical information that it's providing to us, but I believe we pour that into glasses. What kind of glasses are we working with today, dude?
I don't know, but I just got it off. Thank goodness.
Jesus.
We gonna do martini?
We're gonna martini glass today.
We're gonna class it up today?
Class, sure. We haven't used these yet. More appropriate. And then once you pour that, I just want to let you know we're not done yet.
We're not done?
We're not done.
There's more?
Let's pour it in there.
There's more.
Ooh, that looks correct if my internet research is right. Oh, American Beauty, look at that.
American Beauty.
Kind of cloudy, kind of pink.
I like her.
So now, top carefully, or carefully, depending on how you feel like pronouncing it.
How you pronounce it?
Carefully.
It's 6 1/2 dozen or another.
Yeah, how you do. With a little port, very unexact measurements.
little port. So
a little port.
I mean, do we do back of the bar spoon kind of port? You think
Oh,
a little over the top?
Yeah, why not?
So we do dashes. So they didn't say a dash; they said a little. So that'd be more than a dash, I would assume.
I would think so. It feels like a floater moment.
Feels like a floater moment. So we're gonna go over the back of the bar spoon, and we're gonna go with a little port.
The drama. That's plenty. That's plenty.
A little port there.
A little plenty.
And a little port there.
Oh, shit.
Yahtzee,
That's yours. That's yours for sure.
Oh yeah, of course that's
100%.
mine. That's good.
Okay.
All right, I did my best.
You've done your best. I applaud your effort, and we have.
I'm American. It's American Beauty.
We've made more or less an American Beauty. We should. Is it time for the first sip?
I think it's time for the first. What time is it?
Time for the first sip.
First sip. First sip.
All right.
I'm not gonna lie.
It darkened significantly with that port.
I think I might have messed up with the port, but we're gonna go for it.
Cheers. Okay.
We're gonna do nose first.
I mean,
Ooh.
Holy shit.
Whoa. Ooh.
What am I experiencing?
I don't even know what to think about this.
What the fuck was that?
There was an original
Sorry.
and then it went on a brandy tangent, but then it came back.
It's like
with like a port finish.
It's like liquid vegetables, somehow, some way, dude.
We might have been a little heavy with our port pour.
Me.
But
Accountability is important.
I think that's kind of what they
said a little port. I don't know what the that means.
I mean,
like a little gang, which you kind of basically.
if it was
did.
a dash and a dash, it would have been a dash, but it wasn't a dash, it was a little.
That's right. It's true. I mean, I stand by your mixology, straight up.
I appreciate that.
And
that brings me a little warm and fuzzies at night that I can sleep
That's
with
good.
and cuddle.
What doesn't bring me warm and fuzzies is the taste of this drink per se.
So I'm getting the creme de menthe. So you have an immediate sweetness of, I think maybe the orange juice, but then the menthe The creme de menthe.
The menthe.
Or the mint. Or the mint of the menthe.
When the menthe kicks in.
It kind of overpowers you on like, it's like the 1, 2, and the 2 is just like punch in the face and leave you with the
Classic Mike Tyson.
I mean, you're not like knocked out on the mat per se from the mint, but it definitely rang your bell.
Yeah. There's menthe. I can taste the menthe. I can taste the port.
The mint?
The menthe. I can taste
the creme de
menthe. I'm not gonna lie, I'm missing the brandy. I've enjoyed the brandy so much in our past episodes. I'm missing the brandy. It's almost like brandy needs certain players to participate for it to be successful.
You know what? Where's the grenadine in all this?
It's just like a generic sweetness, I'm guessing.
Maybe it's a little sweetener.
Yeah.
And the OJ, do you even taste the orange juice?
It's hard.
Like we fresh squeezed that. We just might just well use the from the freezer on.
Donald Duck orange juice?
Yes. That's not even worth it.
It's a complicated mix, man. I'm not gonna lie. We've had some very successful cocktails on this channel thus far. We've had some like super winners, some surprises.
Yeah, surprises.
This one is, it's kind of.
I expected more out of it.
It's got me bunged up a little bit.
I don't know if it's the port that brought it down or the menthe or the combination thereof.
We've got this thing in front of us. We've drinking it. We've made it. We've gone through the trouble of broadcasting it to other humans. What the do we feel about this? Does it stand the test of time?
For me, no.
Yeah.
It does not stand the test of time. There is just too many weird flavors in this. Like, you got like orange juice and grenadine. I'm thinking, ooh,
yeah,
that sounds good.
We're off to a running start.
But then you throw 1950s. Let's throw some creme de menthe and some port and some dry vermouth.
It's weird. It's weird.
Stand the test of time?
No, dude. No. I mean, I'm sure at some point someone was like, yeah, super happy with this. But given the modern palate, the confusing sort of like chemistry going on there, crazy, weird.
Weird, different.
Yeah.
I mean,
if you like crazy and weird,
different,
good for you. But in the past, we've seen, kind of like funk and strangeness in like a good way. You know what I mean? Like we've likened it to cheese, the funky cheese.
Exactly.
But the American Beauty got some strangeness.
First of all, I love America.
First of all.
No doubt. But the American Beauty falls a little short of the American standard. I'm glad I tried it.
We're going to try everything on the Bar 80. I'm glad
everything?
I tried it, and it is what it is. And
I would like
you
to
can tell yourself a story.
Customize this for my own tastes. And no?
I keep wanting to help.
I know.
It's too bad.
But
that's
okay.
Right.
Next time.
We'll have something different.
And something
better.
Better. New.
Who knows?
Who knows? Maybe better. Maybe new.
Different. For sure.
I would tell you what it is, but I can't read it from here.
Yeah. Well,
Ooh, it looks good though. I just read it.
Stay with us.
Stay with us.
Stick with us.
Come back for next time. Another cocktail from the Bar Aid 1950s, rediscovering things that have been lost to yesteryear.
This has been the Vintage Bartender with Nate and Troy. All right. See you next time.
Next time.
Caribbean Queen. Now we're sharing the same dream. Okay, wipe it down.
Dab.
It's hot.
Dab the bald head. You know what? This has some good fabric softener.
It smells like it's been around like some hardware.
Possibly. Probably shouldn't be rubbing.
Solvents.
Probably shouldn't be
It feels like it's been around.
I probably shouldn't rub it on her face.
Jesus. Fucking hell. All right, there it is. It is super profesh. Did we turn on the camera?
I don't know. You're the cameraman.
Well, apparently I'm the cameraman. Excuse me, everyone.
Has it got the little red dot?
It's got the red dot.
Yes!
It's got the red dot, means we're recording. All right,
Roxanne, you don't have to turn on the red light.
In this case, you hella
Roxanne.
have to turn.
Okay, you do have to turn on the red light. Sorry, I just had to go there. Okay.
All right.
Hopefully there's some history to be there. What if there's no history in one of these?
There is.
Okay.